The face reads as slightly wider and rounder, and the eyes sit a touch lower on the head. The eyes are functional but lack the sharp, wet quality. Every week, I let AI design my drawing lesson. I follow the instructions exactly. Then I feed the finished drawing back to AI and ask it to tell me what I got wrong. This week, Kylian Mbappé. AI set me one specific benchmark before I started. I'll tell you what it was and whether the drawing passed at the end. I asked Claude to design the lesson. Face structure first, proportions, landmarks, the things that make a face recognizable before a single shadow is placed. Before it gave me the tutorial, it told me something specific. It said, warm overall, this skin tone is a rich warm brown with golden undertones. 10 more steps. Color map first, analysis second, feature detail last. The guide is a free download, link in the description. I asked Claude to evaluate against the benchmark it set at the start. Did the soft edges hold? Does it read as Mbappé specifically? The benchmark was the facial thirds, Claude's verdict. This is a genuinely impressive colored pencil portrait that shows real skill and dedication. The warm skin tones, the captured smile, and the jersey details all read immediately and confidently. The guide I followed is a free download. Everything Claude gave me in one PDF. If you want to draw a specific face with your own pencil set, I also do custom color maps. Both links are in the description. Week 6. I'm drawing Jalen Brunson, and I'm calling it right now, the Knicks are winning the championship.